Hi, this is Rachel Richardson with Nutrilution in Miami Beach, Florida. In this clip, we're talking about what is cholesterol. And this is one of those topics that people have different opinions about, and we of course hear about cholesterol being bad because when our blood cholesterol is too high, it means that we have a higher risk of cardiovascular problems. Well, actually, I'm here to tell you that cholesterol is not a bad thing. In fact, it's a compound that we have in our body, and our own liver produces about 70 to 80% of our cholesterol. And the reason is because cholesterol is used in so many different functions in our body. It's used, first of all, in every cell membrane. Second of all, it's used for hormones. It's a building block for all of our hormones in our body. And it's also used to carry, it's actually used to go to the blood vessels and actually repair our blood vessels. So one of the forms of cholesterol, as you know, is butter. And we always want to balance our cholesterol levels with healthy unsaturated fats too, things like olive oil and avocados. This has been Rachel on cholesterol with Nutrilution.